Says no more to challenge.
Now, and match Ivory Coast ne Equatorial Guinea expectation. Na yemfanyina.
All right, the idea is Ivory Coast wo hwa omu hia win or draw, but I think say win no be bo more as in draw no. And of course, wo hwa game you omo boy ya omo tumi aye 4 changes. Defense one and I think so anim hon so my 2 changes with the previous game omo boy against the Nigerians no. And TBB actually said this time around no omo ani abre yenya a certain Nicholas paper or no start e we anim first game no Jeremy Burger no share dan good when to me ankyere how obetumi ama agency akwa anim wontie na yasesa no enti oti bench na megidi say Equatorial Guinea there so we share points build up na say see more 4 points into obviously be o metumi then a qualify but I think say e be different thing altogether almost omunya draw omo pe omunya win so na omo keka ko manim into dibo I think say e be nya very nice football but for me I believe say Ivorians no womo able to me carry the day
Ivorians able to me carry the day Kofi Asare King Vibro all the way from NJ and can never na kwame di wo na kwame di oyete bit foreign eno kwa no oye pe no upon na ene wono na okura sports no twetwe Kofi oso aba oso Kofi sa Kofi na tsen aha kasa mu na mehwe
na me ado me hu ye pa
correct atade fe we Italian fella aha oso wesika o expectation match we na yemon kwanim.
Well, for now, no, this match, my expectation is Ivorians will be to me as a little because you being the host and you can't be eliminated in the first round of the tournament. And for now, no, there is much pressure on them because when we win back, and for this match, and they have nothing to lose than to win this game. I'm expecting say at the end of 90 minutes, and now Ivorians are coming out as victors. At
the end of 90 minutes, now Ivorians, are coming out victors. Victor penalty, Akuma in 97.1. A referee, I am Mahmoud Ismail of Sudan. Baby, about you, Kim no. One go be near na Ghana, a referee, woman to me uncle. Aniti, Ivory Coast as usual. One more share fufu, and yade, one come call an anka. Anka dia church mudino, one more abatriso, and one more baby, I'm a tidia. Me my teacher a year and crying. And the one more emiamufi a year and crying. Now one more. Ede ebo ede be Akropong-Akuapem saso na Equatorial Guinea and so one more emiafi blue omo chichire blue omo bo ede aba enkran John Louis Gazette omo coach no I don't know na Equatorial Guinea Jesus ono defenders no Carlos Akakpo womu nyina agye mu a womu bo awie nti kwana the body atia womanti asema Equatorial Guinea womu so mo shata won ade no etesen kane hyemema bronya dua hyemema no ebi won ma wo se ni no se yanka o se yi balu o sade o unteme ho no mo hye ombo aditia mu sabe bo no tententi sima e ba ko tete duanan enson emu ani 1 minute 50 seconds mu ana yatumi abo Ivory Coast atumi hye bisanso na Equatorial Guinea enhye bi pepe mimni atumi aye nsem rere nsem a sie mensew Akakpo akura to ball ntem ne nko number 15 style woye to tete edi akire mu edi ama Equatorial Ivory Coast jom tiapem ball se payan akodi Ivory Coast for nchen odane akobeku mi Jesus etumi asobono Jesus ono ni ya ni owo owo ani owo ana no yes ono owo be si wiase anya de a obewu the brother sobo ne sekua pempem famu ananwumra yi ani da so ni nyina gina Kudus so Kudus Muhammad no wa twe kwam yadi ande Henry mo mo nyanko ne Henry nyanko sase na afri ye so nyanko odine rank na kira kwam yadi mse munya na mo ware number 3 adama Ivory Coast so board mu a batu adi amani ni odande ma chemo boom oh sha boben 50 center secret betumi ade ben bakumi oni me Ivory Coast for jabo no so ada Samuel Eto'o Cameroon omo FA president wakasa wasi we African Cup ya Cameroon ya fo ya mfo wa ultimate to Cameroon anthem say Ghana dey na krofo ya no bobo so a onka ubi ya yiwadi Ivory Coast body tantan no de mani ni osoro wadmo dan ba kumionu miensa ade no wo masum dwe e wachi wonu a ete che wonu a Carlos Akakpo no mo awon mo ana di ball no ya fofie ho mo a akumionu miensa o ate afa so number 30 Ivory Coast kwanu wako betu de body tantan ade a chebe nko so wonu mo de bona bebe kuma wodi amanu a che Ivory Coast betu de dobi aboni perfection aboni pana gofi as Ivory Coast o mo so kakra gofi.
Yes, Osha, Unsamu host nation, and the fans are behind them. And Osha Sani Oma approach the game within the 3 minutes. Now, almost sharing names at least. Ome to me and early goal. No more on settle Equatorial Guinea for no. Now, Ome to me Akoma. But Ibrahima Sangari, I think, say, now go to me aye near Chin say. But corner kick, you know, Yanshe near to me every mother.
Yes, ready to me a few Kofi Asare Braco. Hey, Mrs. Kofi Asare Braco. Kofi Asare Junior, King Vibro. Evans Indiake, Willie Boley, Kona, Wilfred Sango, one more and defenders no, Adema Yomantas my Ivory Coast, Sako Fofana, Korea operations, Baba, Abaidia, na Enchebia, I got you answer the actually. Oh, Ivory Coast, Adebo no Mubui, Bakumiomi and Sansu Jesus. Jesus Achibo Nukia, Adama Equatorial Guinea. Frank Kese, Ibrahim Sangare. Omunyina ejemu edema mantas man Ivory Coast Abidjan Nanajan Intijan Wahini Jan nyina eka ho bi Yamosukro Laurent Poko woko Ivory Coast Laurent Poko ni dinda one of the stadium so one pe ani wo bia one match we share 5 goals we share goals 1 2 3 4 5 eti one there wo kura record papa Abranti ya kase utize ya wono Ghana et ne kwa Ivory Coast wo bonu mu a na so ntumi anko ba bia foul FIFA mrano makomako eye adioson edunson mesemo 17 laws and a government association football va no wo mo sheda nyintum ye mfa nya adwuma bebrebe sa na so African Cup ye adwuma na komi oni mienza kodi FIFA no Ivory Coast pen panya tia ko wiemu between the referee say enkan bi foul and misconduct FIFA law 12 and etumi ye adwuma eye adwuma papa Equatorial Guinea Anshebi Sanso and Ivory Coast so entumi Anshebi number 14 at the Ivorians 3 epem ye Diakite Oma Diakite epem number 11 and so referee ahe amayaka busu asem ayedi Equatorial Guinea bon titi entumi dia chemu e betumi akoden goalkeeper Fofana Fofana ono dem edema Ivory Coast no Ivory Coast no mo goalkeeper be friend Barry one ya nini bo penalty sia ugu ya ni mu ase no 20 da fafa mo dia baba chire hanu mo we friend Sango no mo na gu ase wo mo ma Ivory Coast bon titi dia chem e betumi ade Okuman Adiokro enso achipo ba akonsa Okuman TV and the live commentary ade fi Ivory Coast ade Ebremo writer commentator finance ni nyina no betu jafi wo ade aba enanyumre yes bomon kai se Ghana instrument tuntum the Black Stars ejina akono yene Kofi eni Mozambique wo Mozambique omo de sky kai dove akwa no South Africa League wasa no ana odi abem wasa no ya goalkeeper Fofana bon titi edi achiremu bon betu ede nanso throw ayedwe Kofi say Africa so man union Kofi anase ye mran be mom no watumi afemu anase dey.
Well, now no more 3 points and say ohwe sania ekono ACFA so man win game we no more draw crown be 4 points and if that happens obviously you know ebi on betumi aba become one of the best third place teams you know because as at now it stands now no we senia ekono Equatorial Guinea benya 5 and Nigeria game no so amon share into Nigeria so benya 5 na Ivory Coast enya 4 into ebetumi akoba se ya na be ye de a Ivory Coast for no ebetwen se ombeka the third best place teams you know but I think say this game there original senia almost started game no Oshe how am I very aggressive. Now almost put too much intensity in this game there. I hopefully and believe say this particular game no make me any win. But say yes say ya there. And you make me qualify. But I show more the better.
Ha. A show more better and then a coffee. I did to summarize the net you know. Kofi ani afiri omunyanko esa no do kra no na ya team me pam 170 me da so ahye me Chelsea ye da number 9 e be fansa ati the field of play at the ball the players number 3 no and the players equipment and after the referee and the other match officials of the duration of the match start and restart of the game and the ball in and out of play and the method of scoring offside foul and misconduct lot of the coming team power free kicks number 13 and an indirect kick penalties throw in goal kick and a corner 17 no VR no afi na yesu so se betumi agya tomo referee Mahmoud Ismail from Sudan see there be asa ne mo ye no bibi ho no ma ya nyintum e association football mu and it yanyintia o mantias man Equatorial Guinea G Coleman number 3 the Ivory Coast bon uri aboya watwa no a sakwa no obepa akokonam pa akokonam be ho ade ti foul your body atia Equatorial Guinea so bia nkom Ivory Coast antimi ahuni ase ne agofika he no e be shi ni pa zanse wo mu no mu hostu akabe yi aka hostu anwu nya adwuma nanso omuno mu gina hai womo ene gina hai Ivory Coast make up pass ni Ghana 92 Ghana ane Ivory Coast finals bo penalty tintin to bonus bi achemu na so Equatorial for ahead the ball no anko bia and so Ivory Coast for fa dan dia ba se won mo adema Wilfred between dem ball tintin wo hwe wan kra ho wa hwe Afriye we say ni Ivory Coast for boy ya je say omani abrin poni ana.
Well, so when you bring this kind of ball now, but I don't think say when you bring them fast, you have a bro. I would say Ivorians and one will say for now no, they have nothing to lose than to win this game. Into Omunya ball now, they should make good use of it and not able to me about my way to me the Edin because for now no, many teams and our third best position in you know unya 4 points cry now you being a host nation doesn't mean say it's going to favor you because it will come to a time goal difference near the meanwhile no Ivorians so or +1 goal for now you know it boy say one better more goals able to me abo qualify for the next stage of the campaign
and no afuto na afiye edema Ivorians no afuto no ebeche wonu mu dia na onu say Evans no mu ane Willy Ball mu ane ebo eche wonu mu edema Ivory Coast nti o ma na beji ball no wa kire wo ball tintin dia chem fifi wonu mu Ivory Coast afa ne na ase afuto na afiye de ma mo ntie o Equatorial Guinea that's a referee Mahmoud Ismail wasi bibi kwaswa enye Pepe ko fi se Pepe no enka no wa asena wa Pepe no wa asena almost broken heart
oh there be
o say
what you cry when you can
asena for to man you can as a Ghana player to Ghana player to zo he kakra na matia oka Jose Miranda ya de akokwasa de na kire no Jose Miranda wasi se no ball sum Pepe unse Pepe no wabo EPL pen masa January no masa man red card crowd cry ati Equatorial Guinea fuadi card no back on but because you masa debut me mentisa o ja me first time ni ba ku mi oni mi ensa bona ti ache bona so Equatorial Guinea fuadi bona fi won ada so ada won mo ajay oh Yehowa no me hwefo but is kabeda ji sana lumba kai yemfa sidani bi enfa ema two fingers laundry ewabru empabuano ombetri coat ombetri jeans batakari okanim fumigation is the method of spraying and tontom and this thing kakape yomunyina fidemu wa odro ewabru Santu Block Factory Santu Block Factory papa holiday bi number studio ha oni yewura chairman on my program no introduce ella abegidi aka or Tom Brooks oh cha BNG ewura aye George ne ni na ne wo ayi radio mantis ohin radio station ye na no na George nyeska oboboard pen aso no obeto ayo fi ayo no no ayi akoto ayi adanse woniema foul Magic ka Joseph FIFA Mirano ne to so dumienu no se wo fuma Kalu Solomon Kalu oba bitin wanyani nuaba utu ze we die ne sa to bi so pa ya twona nim akwaba ana wade ti wonu Solomon Kalu Avory international ba ku mi ri mi ensa ona so Equatorial Guinea Bobo no to baby kra ayedwe 40 minutes of play gone in the first department of the game. Coco what about Ghana Coco CO Coco ya menana ba kuno we pray the friend Sisi Coco ne bia no apam Coco sene yedi Equatorial Guinea Equatoria but the abaya se anu ba ku mi enu miensa da so akọ going solo wa body akwache Ivory Coast for no wa body ache number 21 Indiaka Moses Diaka ewa dukrom as a nunu aba no ne ba dan ba akọ dia ma no contentanwa betu ya de bon ba ku mi enu miensa atia for so Ivory Jesus ache bo no Kofi
Diba, I think say Ivorians no was say omutumi eto omoboase. I was some relax. In as much say omo person munya win, omonya high intensity, omodi area game nim no. I believe say I was omutumi to omoboase kra. Na afin so no omutumi enya the spaces in the right because Osha Nicolas Pepe prior to this game no na on obo as Arrowhead. By a share game na so no was shifted echo the right wing. And obviously, no, so we share Konana. I feel Konana abanti no. So we share Mbono Mobana. Almost a denya striker Ujina. Yes, a movement, no. Enti I was so much to me to boss. No more initiate attacker or making sure so many moment. Ewo honum. Sanya beya. If there should be any chance and as a rebounds beer now on my then on my take advantage. But yet they are playing a very nice football. But just that I was so much to me at home boss. Kakra, I think some years say bia or make me anya the first goal.
Scout number pause ba kwa twene pen paper. See the akete no mo ball ni yena yes contract ne ko yanim. Aya Equatorial Guinea jibo no kama the man ni oso wor mo. Adan no ba ko mienu aban fifi wor mo. Aban fifi won dia wom tumi didi agro papa Equatorial. Em se wom to abagro mo krom nche and no se da ben. Ana wom de mo mampanyini esiso. Ai Someone to me and Nikodimua, Baham and Penny Papa, Omo Bobby, Agent 51, or I got every question. Pepe, watch out for so, Jakita man is also. Young fast than Bima, company back friends and crapple. Offla construction, Offla, yeah, Pepe, experience the best teacher. Who to the phone? Every year. What's the paper here?
Well, the boy, baby, a paper about board and it doesn't mean she pass our ma. It pass our ma. The player was ready for the pass. I was only passing man, but he was expecting a player to be around. But me was not space in the player, not creative space. No, I'm an hold it down and command the pass and go to me and shoot you finding the first goal.
Yay! My boy is on a couple so if you want more pine, not a quackra. A cry request for now. I want 10 no. Diakite said Diakite no. Dano bako e weche wonu ma hu nipa ni ye. Bako mi abedi 51 number 21. Bonu boom. Na so ntimi anko ba bia Diakite ode ma hwan. Wo mo nkokura o. Enkrofo ha atwen. Ivory Coast for ha atwen. Wa pia nipa da sani na so play continuous. Bako mi onu miensa Ivory Coast, they are doing the needful. I got some message go no. Number 5, Ajay Wilfred Sengo. Yajibo na fini samo Atiafa show Equatorial Guinea nam tantanwa. Oh, aye ho. Bon aye ho. Akwaye odi yellow card. Miranda, and he had not to film. Miranda is on the veranda. He had not to film. He had not to film. 18 minutes of play gone. Wobi an shebi. Wobi anu awat mi shebi. Referee aye Mahmoud Ismail of Sudan was in the no there's a near film. And it touch animra. Afriye, who your first half you go with me.
Well, looking at how Ivorians in the ball there, if they want to make a down, no take your chances there. I see them scoring the first goal, and even how they are playing. No, at the end of first half, no match 2 goals. Because for now, no, they surging forward and they are very dangerous. But they say they are in a hurry to score a goal. But in football, no, how I'll be taking chances, no, and a bit to me, I'm make you victorious. But now, no, how Ivorians in the ball, no, it's as if say they have nothing to lose. They have nothing to lose. But meanwhile, this game, at the end of it, if care is not taken out, Ivorians, you being the host and you are going out. So they have to go all out and also stay calm in front, and so that they will be able to make good use of their chances.
Make good use of their chances. Sako Fofana, Nensanam Nitiso. Woman, they know what is at stake. They know what is at stake. Someone to me, Irenia, Asema papa. Woman to me, I need this game. Number 6, you know, Ivan, Salanda, Equatorial, number 6. Was it more? Yanimo Bequate. Yanimo Bequate, papa. Bonatenti, Ediacom, Sangare, Sangare Chile. Bon Bacumia, Sakodia, because of one chain. 2 Mudia Chilmu 51. Equatorial Guinea, the Tiabum Payan. Akwe Miranda Kofi Ahwa the sound we game him.
I think so.
Then your rough game papa.
Yeah, once Ivorians one of the teams are so one more boy and was we lose at the moment. At least I was someone to meet a ball hard maybe. But Osha even Equatorial Guinea Yakawaha so Omukuta experienced team. Omukuta players are very consistent. Nti Osha Bono Muboni Nana. A woman say Ivory Coast for no answer was so, but almost so a tactical game. This time I want to make sure say any mistakes. I bet me there then they are punishing woman. But I think there was a little bit soft in terms of tackle because I just I be away a mute for that. Now unya could card obviously no it may affect the team no. And the way your mobile game no ento was a kakra.
Aye, Abratia Christian Kwame. Wano ana wodinya mransam nanso referee ahwede ase men kan hwe. Ivory Coast for no Kwame na omo player bi Alen Kwame mu nyina afam e dia Ivory Coast. Obabo mo de be kai pa. Ko fi 2015 na mo share no.
No
Heavy Renard.
Omo GF yen.
Aye. Heavy Renard boa omo a ye hu adwuma. Haji Conan wajabo no kama adiamo no number 21 Ndiakite bon boom adi achim nanso referee said Debbie something went wrong and it answer emobo no ebio Equatorial Guinea number 7 ayedwe senya confirma cheche mu no etofa to say wom Ivory Coast wom awu anti Fofana nadam ana W Bole W Sango Indiaka Konda Fofana Kese Sangare Diakite Pepe ana Kwame Alen Kwame ninua atiafa so akodi suru hono mo hey nyaya na nyaya no eno ana aye ayesi Kwame Christian Kwame wono born 6 December 1997 ana ya wono ana ya Akuapem na fi wa jibono ade afini na aso jibono afini na aso tuntinti ade abam ebetumi aye de ben ekotro wan e from me wadwumam wan from ni jam frɛ mi dipa ye dipa Ivory Coast nil Equatorial Guinea omso omo shebiye na mom ye nyina ye nyaaya na Ivory Coast be wom na Equatorial Guinea atuma kofi bon ba kum yenu miensew abedi ase hono mo number 21 ono adano kama atuatum Ivanza ndiake wono ana bono ekodi nisam body atuba bi kura akodi fifi ono mo etene etimi akɔ yɛn baako mienu miɛnsa atiafa so Jesus da poor mu a Nebukadnezar akɔhyɛ ayɛ dɛ Jesus da poor mu Jesus wɔn da poor no mu wabɔ no kama ade ato aseɛ hɔ deɛ ɛkɔ a ɛyɛ akakpo no mu ana gugu hɔ akakpo ɛne ɛyɛ koko mu a ɛna gu aseɛ hɔ no mo ɛde ma Equatorial Guinea 24 minutes of play gone and then summarizes number nti ama agro na yede enra de na nko a temu a we di aba adi diamond Kwame emoji ni 1 2 3 4 5 yeah kaketua bi kade diakite ketua bi ko yashe King Glasgow, the governor, fantastic chairman. Oh no. When is the original D-boy? Wisdom. And you remember Kwame Batuja. Pakwa CJ, London. London bridges falling down. London bridges falling down. Pakwa CJ yo. See ojo ni tuam anwumrei no watwe statistics ni ye adwuma aye adwuma total shot Ivory Coast abamiensa Equatorial Guinea on na musa na mu a abadi vivi wanimo Ivory Coast Sankare aba ayehu Equatorial omaje bono number 7 atande mani ni hono eye bikoro akaka kremna ke biakoye bakum yenu mienso bon titi dia chemu naso beautiful defense play from Omantasma Equatorial Guinea ye fast down Emma obi bia wotie ye kesi woni bono ball wesi Miranda mrani nyina ada no hwem so Miranda ane meto bibi sada mi ese meto fufuo mi boa Ajapaya block factory de Akuapem ope bros papa hono mo a fede de machine kraba asasi ye di faso se rene ko yanim Ajapaya 2 fingers laundry bell eyes ne Kwame Penibi what the good ade nimu a Nesi national comment na oh Jesus arroya Ghana be win anwumre nkwabcha phone nyina nkoda obi amahwe bi Ghana be win anwumre Sangare Ivory Coast ni unimbo broadcast in Kofi the open fried rice
many dey won pa
every year fried rice nam kan wana the nam kan okay ni aba no ti nam kan eti broadcast in spring roll shawarma bella ebe wari kia kwasieda je be wia wari wia directors na eko omo ati hey mienu ba ko be ko aware de nya dio na drop money Ivory Coast ba ko mienu so Pepe Kofi Pepe as a Ankano was so bad with the Akropong.
The boys I watched on 2 previous games on my boy now. Unse na or bench. And you name say Pepe will be our Premier League at the Arsenal. Oh, are a very good player. But I am the final decision, no, and a hano. And not na nam sinti then call. You didn't Arsenal or call PM or transport. I think sir he has to be matured in terms of decision making. Or a very fine player. Because this time around, say Oma Benchi Jeremy Bogamo, omo enye den, enyo okwenya, emmo. Intini say what me any opportunity na would jinema because of a certain quality be entini edo ye den ebaye. But I think say yentumi nyan free Nicolas Pepe ho. Enti say omo behwe na ebia within the first half and na say bia ye second half na say ya na Nicolas Pepe ebeye there. The boy is better. Say on bet me a you know different player.
Better say you know different player. Ediaba. Okuma de cross swatch papa kunie. Equatorial Guinea. Omani Ivory Coast, the host nation. The 34th edition of the African Cup of Nations. Ekwasu Ivory Coast, Cote d'Ivoire, Abidjan. Omani ba kwa wo abibi memwa ni din Edwards to say Holland. Ba ku mi onu mi so. Pepe. Oh! Makachi goalkeeper or Jesus. Oh, you say why? Every year.
Diman.
Original.
Senior Brako Fika, in terms of final decision from people, very poor. Boy, watch about Santra coin for you. And also, who say keeper na epi. Until I was say even cry up say double pass keeper and cry. How our control ball should be a key. But the final delivery and to me ama keeper and grab a ball. Pepe, he has to be clinical up front. And only problem, he had played all the good football, but the final finishing, any problem.
Nicolas Pepe, one more private school because Nicholas Pepe, 29th May 1995. Ania Wuno, right winger. Eka dead. Nanka Pepe Eyama Ivory Coast Asanaba. Obati ile Samagosa ile mami cooling break. Yes, you found now. You fast that my Amanfo. Na a Japan block factory what do? Usi dying, school dying, Abrosign, Conashe Onemo, one more na sit down. Come on. Eve's Hill Hotel, Davy Junction, Ewoye Latehonmoa. Some police phone kakra, one branch of the Royal School Mono, Hono Mubutu, Chemqua, Wi-Fi free, a dying Sesemu, TV, air condition. Come on. Eve's Hill, Kona Koji any weekend. Santu Block Factory, Cementy, Super Gasem, Mepacho, 42.R cement. And only this is Jericho Afesio, but Sina and Yuri. Matter is I saw them be a nom this year. Santu, Konakwaje, Obrosono, Konakwaje, or Cementino. Ha! Yada Sujelem Farms, Sisia Gradia, the Tom punching, Papa. I say ginger, and then coffee, Mama Obi. Coffee, Mama Obi. Mama Kakadroni be. Mama, chili pepper nibi.
Okay.
Mama, a 3 years to be. Call me the mini pet.
I feel when they are on time.
Oh, David, 3 years. A 3 years, Mama Obi. Now they are coffee.
Okay. Down
Sujel and Farms. Examine supervisor.
Nice.
And a bongo. As I'm my abandonment support, examine a year, Juma.
I know.
Onu ye, general manager. That's Sujel and Farms. And our dose.
Okay.
And I'm your supervisor.
Nice.
Church on Yemana and Coco near dear and Kushia. It's you, Upe, a young Kushia Mobi. But they do Juma. Okay. And I feel bell eyes. But come here to yourself. But not to Jesus Christ. Jesus, oh no. wache ball no kuya kama ha akwa no ball shot when shot no ball Fofana Sako Fofana Sako Muhammad Fofana Mahamadou 17th May 1995 ani ya wono ai Kofi hwetri nyina 95 ya 95 they said me boko Jesus crowd
itire din kwa de MC kwa 1980
Kofi
Africa
abi before eti we share ayi Birmingham no mo a Twumhene bosa we share Birmingham no mo a Equatorial Guinea is a very good team. I don't underestimate them. If you do that at your own risk. They have a surprise package for this tournament. Wisdom. King Glasgow, the governor, fantastic chairman. Yamisha Kwame Edina, upon the Kakrama Minaja. Talent in their dorsum. They see I'm in a casa made in Nasa. Bakumi and so, Africa with the other. Oh, Coffee, Akropong corner.
I think say enim honom nankasa no unse Omadi Akite ono onye starter ena afen so Nicolas Pepe enye starter. I think say Christian Kwame Nkoa ena oye starter ewo enim ho inti sa wo hwe wo combination na enhye da emfa yi compared to Ebia Jeremy Boga ena eye Grasso say Grasso e start here nanka I think say enokra no betumi aboa wo mo omo 3 players no mo we enim ho no question enhye da nkoyi anything ama womo fan ball so betumi anya go
ai Kofi Koma no wane Ronaldo na wati mo na say waju afiri ho Christian Nkwama Conan wano akwano is very serious very serious papa menteme wase ai ni tiadi awoye Jesus waso ball no ediama Equatorial Guinea menteme wase ai ni tiadi 35 minutes of play gone senior on duty Unity papa Unity Euro studio Ivory Coast will win 2-0. Watching you live inside Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I like your commentary. Now, over some in your correct and come here didn't better. Go home with Zagrache. Not ever cry yourself. Feel go yesterday. Now, we come at you cry. Are you mad to be a year? What's the Wafa? Hello. Wafa, I miss you, Papa. Hope all is well. Adubia 2023. Mom de mani to so no. Mom me. Ti me mani afim so ba me wo ye. Hope all is well. Good work done, guys. Kwame, Adubia na twin chama ho no. Ah, me mo fa ba Adubia. Ah. Ose Henry. Ose Adi Diamond pasoro ni ya. Na me hu se Kofi Tia na me fro Kwame. Nigeria share.
Nigeria for share. Enti eba ni say dia na che say Ivory Coast no was so mo yirom ho. E was so mo yirom ho pa because enya sa na so mo so ba be third best place team looking at how standing because Nigeria benya 7 na Equatorial Guinea enya 5.
Okay.
Na Nigeria 4 no omo enya na Ivory Coast enya 4. Okay. Enti eba sa mo ba be one of the third best place teams. But I think say it be a good difference in a bit to me a favor. But no muye na last minute ya de ba ko tum dia. Let me say Ivory Coast one may be never say.
Nigeria say the Ivory Coast one more day. Ball possession. And na dia tum e dia ma ye no no. Obi an to me she be so 37 minutes of play gone. Diakite ono ana ya pem ya wona tikọ wono no da fam number 14 edema ayo mantas man Ivory Coast ma Diakite wono da fam se kum body skabedaji skadi obedi 20th December Kofi 20th December 2003. Hey, happy before. Happy before the date of birth. You don't feel fear home. Yeah, Bobby.
Players be yes, yeah, woman 90s.
Hey,
or do not around here.
if you're not that's on Group A, no. Nigeria Benya 7, Equatorial 5, Ivory Coast Yasea 4, Guinea Bissau. Nigeria say one more every jai. Na Amfa. Hey, Yakite the date of birth video. Yanshani Bibi yo. Diana Ziguado. Ayehu 38 minutes of playground. Every year. Never do near. Obian Chevier.
Man, Equatorial Guineans, they are playing tactically. I want to take on time and almost slow tempo of the game down. Only say Omunya Bona, pray home because one for them they know say they have nothing to lose. Say Omu near want to make qualify. Honestly, or Lucia or Rukofi. For now, no more take you on time and on Bobon. But it's up to Ivorians and they say get it to know say for the Equatorial Guineans, they are playing tactically and they are taking their time to frustrate them. Until I say once one could do anymore, what to me making good use of chances in our Munyan. And yes, at the end of the game, if say Equatorial Guineans in one slim chance, it be to me Ivorians.
Okay, one slim chance between Ivory Coast. One slim fit. Ebe home papa. Ha. Ayehu. Was it? Mo comment to nemu da ho. Anwumre de atwen. Afa na kwa me ba. Kwa me adi. Obesoma anwumre na wotwe. Ha. You know, na. And then me support Ghana idea so me say Chelsea. Support Ghana idea. Confusing.
For the first time you know me, yeah, support to Blasters.
Ay, Kofi. Eh, wanwa.
And that's why we are to me at Afa.
Kofi na to found as in Manyama. One muni one found one, yeah. Miranda, would you bonia? You're too weak. Sangari, what your Jam Miranda? What your Jirano? What's yam? You're Pejoana, Miranda. And a dear General Honomo Sangari Tia Nature Honomo Akwe Ivory Coast go do one more. I heard that a number of Bushwa Paya Kuanam, the leading producer of cocoa, the whole world. Omuya dear, Omu should go via friend Bobo no, Nitimo Bruta. Bakumi Equatorial Guinea, about the other day. Then Bakumi no diamond in your Honomo, Victoria. The one number 5 no Coco or Famu Boruko Ayawo Kofi. Oh number 10 yeah Nusu we and if you want my shoe this is Susie in Nusu bon body if you want more a boko only one magra Nanusu a carbon atum. Yeah. Adia. Ho. Kofi. Niabano no.
Yes. Boy, in as much Ivorians are taking control the game, are taking possession, and also all the starts are now a favor the Ivorians. And as I was saying earlier, say Sanyo Mobowe, say a bassa Equatorial Guinea equity any decent chance biana ome panishomo because Emilio Insue one of the players are even watch tournament or the top scorers no omo a season team. And look at how yade ball FM. That's why I'm saying say consistency then here. One more team now. Unse Sergio Real or a player bia Debiano Dina a Chilewa Otmi a commande on center back. Osmani Diomandi about 2 games at your mom. Meaning the reason why here and ya benchina. Watch the center pair now. About Willie Bolly. What you say? I have because she be a player na ball. Or the ball ewura mo bia gina ho hwe no e no ma passer inso e apia ball na to atenam it is say there akwakoye dene e de ama Ivory Coast ye hwe kan no betumi abam Israelapa and ashe for the second minute no and a ball na to Ivory Coast for one more atenam
Atrankasa ayego Akropong after been come on every year as we foot no
Diman said I catch you say but now Equatorial Guinea in Bono they are playing on tactical basis to one more taking one more time once the tempo of the game down and Mekai says any slim chance be on Benya be able to me up and say Mekai within 4 minutes and I want to me take first lead and I realized that defenders were cross ball watching. They didn't know what they were doing. They didn't know say they have to defend. And look at the goal one concede now. Now no they want to take time there. They are going out of this competition.
Every year, wisdom can say. I say Equatorial Guinea is a very good team. The Ivorians shouldn't underestimate them. I say when they do that, they do it at their own risk. They have a surprise package for this tournament. And no, Anna Omohio. Yo, yani Ghana Yesu ya nwanyumrei. Yesu ya nwanyumrei. Izwe wa sheba akwadi ama wa manta asema Equatorial Guinea na mekasa nra ana ndo mampa nyini edisi so. Dia 44 minutes of play gone. Equatorial Guinea 1 Abidjan Ivory Coast Cote d'Ivoire opposite Holland 4 Holland Netherlands Dutch Omo nyina call so yepe orange countries akwani so one Vivian Madema Ivory Coast down come Pepe down the money no one we tell ba kuma enu miesa abere Vivian mo but you fan fan Vivi Equatorial Guinea what me ka baba oni nu anu a wo mo ko ho no oh what's it Jesus let me kneel down Garnet wano kotu ye Pablo Garnet wakotu ya kura si ya shamu mamen koto diakite eni Garnet kotu diakite enim Pablo Garnet 4th November 1994 ayi adeye na ewo no Malaga Spain ana ewo abrante no Spain ana wabaha no betwa board sa no wo Spain nka no kwase wonya bi mo and okay ba ku bi enu miesa ayehu nanso pono anyasi hwani referee beto so disima enum ana de atoso 45 minutes in the nyina nya so Ivory Coast da fam baako Equatorial Guinea on bibi ndabone bonu tum atumi di achem betu akoyoma na ba ku bi enu miesa na so Jesus ayehu ono ma Pepe Ivory Coast atikanu what a goal Mamma mia Sangare Watikano Kofi Sangare atikano
Of course boy a very good response from the Ivorians before the break because I was sure the tactical game Equatorial Guinea for no airborne Eneya omo enya lead no so omo to me manager because they are one of the teams in the tournament omo to me omo nim game management omo to me manage game ni yepa and for now no at least onko omo nya draw ebe bo omo but when so no o sha akwakoye one of defensive blunder because omo peja ball ne course no instead say player ne be ko no wanko na branch na be ball no e ato but where we stand now no you say na Ibrahima Sangare offside position ti yen hwe say bia obe call for VAR no take decision out of it
VAR no ye behwe ayi Ghana ne akwai Suarez mukrom wo no
Uruguay for
ne Suarez ni sabo ball no na ye bisa eye referee ko ni nya say onu ankobe de no say onu ankobe pon match no Minuka say eye referee Mahmoud Ismaili wakwakohwe wachaki ade ni nyana wasi ye lepe ameswe lima offside li Ivory Coast le coin offside referee Sudan 2 cent what in the offside is what me ya fast dani bi enfama brackets for a bedroom papa dia what we are orders a year outdoor engagement what in the party brackets and then you may you make all the makwaji bi abre The summarizers no. And then let me contain. A Japaya block factory ever do. A Japaya block factory ever do. As a budget bros Agudobia, Awupebia, 2 fingers laundry, 2 fingers laundry. As you ever hear a blue Akuapem. Bell eyes. Kwame di mundi she free connection lia. Na me kan fran ponsa nyu pepe be ba ko me so. Bona te fa so. Na so. Corner. Oh. Sorry. Kesi captain okokasa ho. Okokasa ho. Sani aya na referee na GBB. Referee na GBB na ne o ye di. Fofana. Seku Fofana. And yapim no dafa mu a wo muni wa fam was Seko Fofana 1995 and e wa brand no 1995 28 years of age Paris France and ya wo no Paris France Antravela Pelape Okuma Radio 97.1 34th edition of the African Cup of Nations, Equatorial Ivory Coast, Fofana, and I didn't have to famua. Brenna Supepe Munina ho, Mamuya Human Convention. Human Convention. I hear the vivid description of what is taking place at Ivory Coast through the mass called radio to the people out there. Commentary, and the Debrem Kama. Hima to be as a wafa. I miss you. I miss you too. Good work done, guys. Checha Kofi Munyina. King Glasgow, the governor. Ivory Coast will win by 2 goals to 0. Ivory Coast in that family. Kofi.
Say go for Bana pa. Sampa hu pa de. To me buni na mu kura o. Oh, Edio. I'm say D-boy. Fedi kano akona wie and Sanya game no ACL corner bedene the Amade Ivorians. As I said earlier, no Equatorial Guinea one of the countries are omutumi emane omunim game management omunim sanya to me manage game ye pa but osha it seems the only chance omutumi create ewo game nim no eno na wom de ahye and osha Ivory Coast omutumi create as much as 6 chances. Even no manyamu by 2 big chances. Nini na omanya den, omo entumi anhye. And I think say enim honom no agency ewa enim hono enhye da enkoye. And a third party ewa enim hono enhye da enkoye. Because we all know say omo collective midfielders. O Barima Sangari or Frankesi or Seko Fofana. Sa 3 midfielders no mabo right from the beginning of the tournament. And tis a wisha bono mobona utumu se omunim omoho and then so why 2 change ewo enim ho where you center back kwa tenase and where you right back and so edi atenase and in all no I think say to me affect you with the first goal omutumi eden e consider no so far osha na chese omo air drop to the 3rd position. And a banner sounds so not just obviously no looking at how our standards now a very difficult at the Ivory Coast so made to me qualify and to DY I strongly believe say second half idea omu very good strategy because they have collective players one bench to me make it difference at the Ivory Coast a bad results at the moment in this first half and to yensha how to me ababa recover in the second half. No much at least even a draw or a win will be better for them.
Even a draw or a win will be better for them. And every year,
Dima.
Ofa edikano to me abaye Ivory Coast at a film a cabak Equatorial Guinea as original.
Well, first half of the day, you witness a good performance from both sides. But just say, Ivorians and want to make a good use of their chances. And as I said, slim chance now Equatorial Guinea is in Enya, and the only chance of Munya, on want to make a good use. This clearly tells you, say, game now mobile, they came with a plan, and the plan has really worked for them. Mobile say, almost sit back. No one hit Ivorians on a counter attack, and also with a goal now, Equatorial Guinea is in the defenders were there, they didn't know what to do, and of course won this match. So coming into the second half, the Ivorians has to come all out. May a Cameron Kwan, second department of the game, Nicolas Pepe should be substituted. Now, Jeremy Boga, Emblem, first game, Jeremy Boga, the second game, he was quite slow. But coming into this final game, I think, say, or the Nebema, ni impact, a bit to me, Abua, Ivory, and Cinema, at least they would get an equalizer, a bit to me, Abua, to me, qualify as one of the third best.
Okay. I think Nana free any Kofi, sorry, Kim Vibro, and then you may know more, and a trouble. Senior on duty, and Swaba, Nemo, Ghana, the no more train, and you will be any. Namu so brother ya tutuba no kakra ha ai na wisdom o si D-boy na me say yes sir I told you so a Ghana movie title. The Equatorial Guineans squad has been in existence for some years now. They are very consistent. I told you, we Ghanaians have been crying out for they should be consistent like the Equatorial Guinean team. They know themselves, and with these underdogs, if we tag them that they don't know how to play, they will surprise you. They will surprise you, papa. They will surprise you, everyone. If care is not taken, copy on the back. Wisdom. Ghana so, and then mini Kofi, ya best support to Ghana. Na Kofi share Subura, na me share Chelsea atadie. How are you, Mray? BB Besi. Pakwasi AJ London. Enche Mohamed wa Ghana kozi tonkakra. Why? Anti ye try una kwaba. Ye ba ye to foto to me no eso. Kwame adi wa ha. Okoma mbro ni wa ha. Kofi Asare. King Vibro. Pakwasi ndum ne ba. Oha. Kofi coach. Ofio Royal Akoto coach. Come from Grant Edinaba. Okuma Edokro and so chipo ba kusuni team no nyina solid. You try home. Ebeba.
Great product. Anya and for bibi biara wo pe bia wo building site wo kaisa omo dia into real estate development and so it would dino person wo peja in tempa wo fra Offla Construction Limited Company wo bejo so for ani chiro obosoma se Akuapem amonochrome Akuapem Koforidua Asunje Junction wo sabeka Offla Construction Limited Company wo ho from e was 055 295 7198 0594 635656 050 280 8992 and 027 9012 954. Book on social media handles in Offla Construction Limited Company. Onsa Erekomo. Kaisa omuye free delivery. Baby I will be en phone. Ye debe kwa ko jaw tempara. Say nya Offla dia and there you are not building. Kayo say Offla Construction Limited Company. Your property our priority. Our priority.
You know, one bucket of Flamingo paint is equal to several other paint brands on the market. Flamingo paint, a Papa Chain paint, bia. Flamingo paint, superior hiding. Flamingo paint, superior coverage. Flamingo paint, superior durability. Flamingo paint, simply superior.
Akuman Radio 97.1 FM. Ye doyetie for ye panesenti ena ye bie ye ntaba media mo bibiara ene nwumekwa wo se. Sa wo pese ye bo ne ma dero edema wa ye krado bra na ye ne wo enidwa anasa wo yosofo na wo pese wo preachi ana safo na mo pese mo preachi a akwanya eda wo bibi na ato ena wo pese ye bo hu dero edema wa akwanya eda ho bra anasa jingle hu sense productions na wo pese ye edema wa akwanya ewo ho ana wo ye show bi na wo pese ye be fa live ewo Akuman Radio so a akwanya da ho se ye edema o ne hia ne se obefreyen ewo 0202 993475 ana 0594 630059 ana 0246 246 875 Akuman Radio ana Akuapem Akuman Radio 97.1 FM. Ye doyetie for ye panesenti ena ye bie ye ntaba media mo bibiara ene nwumekwa wo se. Sa wo pese ye bo ne ma dero edema wa ye krado bra na ye ne wo enidwa anasa wo yosofo na wo pese wo preachi ana safo na mo pese mo preachi a akwanya eda wo bibi na ato ena wo pese ye bo hu dero edema wa akwanya eda ho bra anasa jingle hu sense productions na wo pese ye edema wa akwanya ewo ho ana wo ye show bi na wo pese ye be fa live ewo Akuman Radio so a akwanya da ho se ye edema o ne hia ne se obefreyen ewo 0202 993475 ana 0594 630059 ana 0246 246 875 Akuman Radio ana Akuapem Akuman Radio 97.1 FM. Ye doyetie for ye panesenti ena ye bie ye ntaba media mo bibiara ene nwumekwa wo se. Sa wo pese ye bo ne ma dero edema wa ye krado bra na ye ne wo enidwa anasa wo yosofo na wo pese wo preachi ana safo na mo pese mo preachi a akwanya eda wo bibi na ato ena wo pese ye bo hu dero edema wa akwanya eda ho bra anasa jingle hu sense productions na wo pese ye edema wa akwanya ewo ho ana wo ye show bi na wo pese ye be fa live ewo Akuman Radio so a akwanya da ho se
yama obibia dwo mamunyina Akuapem Akuman 97.1 Ivory Coast womuni eye womfofo Equatorial Guinea ansana ye kwaji ahome no na Ivory Coast for da fameka eye ba ko yakwaba ye womuntumenti ye aye hu pimpem na so obobo na atwene sangare body akire ba bi kura asa wama de bi enna bone ha ananyumre yi aya na wotwebre mu o Manchester Ghana na eneno ni ensi dasi Kofi Asare o support Ghana da mankasa so support Ghana da na wom anyumre yi no ne yakoba ya ni se yasi ya support Ghana Jesus wabonu tum ade akire mu akodi ibu wabatini peti Wotini peti Equatorial Guinea for Grabono referee se bibi ntimi koso FIFA lot 12 FIFA nimre toso ye dumienu no foul and misconduct abrante no matono shego kama dema eya ne mai ai enzuwe no na eya due eya DUE eya due ana diu ese eya DUE anti akwa yawo no ncheye wonyi yakra 95 yi mu an yawo no wosi akan edema omanti asman Equatorial Guinea 1 Ivory Coast and Shebi Nakobane say sports pandit for no chere say Ivory Coast na o ma so ba she papa Ghana de will be out to calculate anya nwumre calculate yakite yagibo na fini semba kumieni miensa atumi aba akwa wiemu ya pomo da zani de everyone mo throw ebe kwatia o man tiasman Ivory Coast omo te say Holland for omo di ya miensa Holland Dutch Netherlands Côte d'Ivoire Abidjan Ivory Coast omo ko adi no ba kumieni miensa enanwumre na watwasofo ye be gina mu ha papa ye be ya hu bi kwame adi wo be comment na wokuta de ketewa bi niema wom kokoro no asa ayehu ayedwe Sangari asa Sangari Sangari ba kumieni miensa ye body atia Ivory Coast tuti ya chimoti atia ko yeso Ivory Coast for top pressure ya Fofana Fablo Ganet ono and two ball kama akodi so no mo area ma Ivory Coast baba want to be called the bunny 51 mo but me don't know the sugar ball no odani area ma ono ani e wase ono ba se ono dia Evans Idiake and William Bolly and Gashan Conan Wilfred Sango woman e bo che ono mo adema omantasman Ivory Coast tuuza kwa ono mo woman e kwekwa ball no kwa kakakra Ivory Coast bakumi onu miasa womo atra center circle abura 51 maboni tum ademani nia wobetwa na number 14 adema Ivory Coast ajibo kama atiafa so ndiakite bakumi onu miasa na so goalkeeper your friend Jesus say Yohani antimi ama omuntumi say Jesus da Kofi 6 minutes of play gone awo aye fan atoso mienu yi emo senior on duty and then woman nyina bebo kwame adi bamba now the comment ni about Ghana obi akra calculator amama kai ebra yeto abawie ya ye de court na ye wura sie dun katia wono de wode calculator pa na ba court wo Ghana wo bia to calculator wo bia to bia na nwumre yi ekozi se ya Ghana be fa wo se yanya nkwa na igira ho a Equatorial Guinea obabon kama de achemu idu obetu ede ba kumienu miesa ahyere nantam yemfa sidani bi emfama aya two finger landry ewo aya abriu Jose Miranda wo ye difficult papa sabrante no Miranda omasunu area to from Sangare ene diakite omo ene kwedi sabone no referee say foul aya Santu block factory Santu open blocks eno ane Santu cement eno ane Santu brackets in open mo na ye de wire ya gu ho na ye de isu agu so na ye de atre agiragire makokwa nam brackets in EC Hotel bakobi oni mesa bona wo ya Fofana akade ankai Equatorial Guinea ati one more to atre to mienu naso Fofana ati so mukua koko so mukua adema omanti asman Equatorial Guinea ball shot na Fofana achia no na wayibo na fio koko CO hey Kofi
you boy Osha Yahya Fofana the way Otumi save ball now I believe say the direction of the ball no your goalkeeper always I was so very focused now the boy adiaba akoni say Osha Ivorians no send your approach the second half say Oman take care na Equatorial Guinea for no etumi enya break bia o metumi ahye second goal and so munya second goal na ebia betumi ayi over for the Ivorians. So in as much say one more attack still person munya equalizer. Now I'm back game ni no. I was some very careful. And yes sir, tactically how are Equatorial Guinea for no able game no. One make me a surprise one be.
Send Equatorial for no able game no make me a surprise one Ash. Atiafa ho na Atiafa so ayedwe Ivory Coast pumbia yeah I'm feeling about adwene Seko Fofana pumbo no sa panyan opa Jesus area shadow na ni abre wọ́n sì yé Menzuela pa host nation eba be fi mu ana ebere ne nkrabia ena be kire yankwa dia ye be ni ha yankwa ye be ni ha yakwa so nyina be kobi 55 minutes of play gone Atiafa so was hon mo ha Jimnak BC wanuna ebemu akwawei adana obedi game bi ene de wanhye ne butu no wanhye butu no anwotwe covid-19 omafa wade fama Jimnak BS wamo anabem Miranda Asim Jimnak Paila wono anaba by by and Allah to say and cry labadi wono na bam ya fasidani bi amajumakuo AFCON ventures modernisa na abebo ya ne ka na tiafa so WC water closet afa basin and in the stand basin and in the tap and watch shower arms soap dish telephone showers and watch kitchen sinks soap dispensers hose tap tubes handless pipes and no and abenya ewoye aye huwedi ansha na yefie Ivory Coast babayo Ivory Coast ede na mu kire Kofi
very unfortunate because at this crucial moment now we have 3 points now when you clear chance sometimes I say maturity ya there ehia e football mu because baby a we dinani baby a wenya boy e dey biem na ope I was say we take you sport now oye placement with a direction what be the goalkeeper na she but obono direct to the goalkeeper na say ya na Ivory Coast for no e ba we see chances ne there and e di boy be carry amomo at least say bia wunya draw kra e betumi aboa as a host nation this time around no ya show until you don't have any other option so be back game nim strongly send your be at least no we betumi ateka no na ne omo kire yi de di boy say ombe ko ni say ya de be de ne
Christian Kwame $1 billion chance ana wasana sa ha watibo na to baby kwa Godfred Akobita Godfred I see the guys WWE the men can't wait Tom Brown watching you live from Akropong-Akuapem. Mr. Kofi Free, big ups to you. Kofi, what be my fans if he Mampong? I see a friend of Tom Brown. Oh, Miss Way, one was she go. Mr. Kwakpo, the builder's choice. Mr. and Mrs. Kwakpo, the builder's choice. It's not to be a good to defend the film. Throw in Mr. FIFA Mrano Kwame Ivory Coast from Kwame Nehu Alain Guame na oye Ivory Coast goalkeeper. Enani bia ni eba kumia ni seti atafa so throwing yato adiatia Ivory Coast. 59 minutes of play gone. Equatorial Guinea 1, Ivory Coast nil. Ghana yababo nyumire na watwe niyepa mikodidi mikodidi Miranda ona homesa no a dangerous guy by our standard born on nimbo Miranda home chie ba kumi ani mesa ko ni vivio no so Equatoria wabon boom area so baby Koko kwame peduani bidi na Ghana ananyumrei Ghana instrumentum na node papa bi oni wata frija ochina no pa wamode okumai politics afiwe de abatu afi ba kumi enu bienso ndi akite yase onmo obetu edan ba kumi enu biensa ati ofaso Koko oyefi ho Ivory Coast Afiye.
Well, Dima, game in the Ivorians in the second half and 1 more so, but mistakes are now more first department of the game and no more that say omo bobo ni na omo de anim ho instead of them say omo take on time no make good use of chances na omo yan no omo to me and take chances no and we realize say Equatorial Guineans no second half we tactics are omo start the game no to stay calm and compose you know and no omo go so say almost starting second department of the game no omunya free kick back and that free kick you know could have been a goal for them and after that Isanke to me go and Kebeha Ivorians and looking at that Christian Kwame goal chance now you know it should have been a goal and an equalizer for them because you can't get this chance now to me making good use of it now at the end and looking forward to Obunya win so the Ivorians and also so to me a clinical
onipa ba ko ye disappoint me Pepe oya ne caliber ne pedigree ewo football mu Didier Drogba ukwa Ivory Coast modern boy Didier Drogba bonti wo mu wondam bi ene nsa ye fa ni Drogba Nicolas Pepe wa frère mo fa bo no mame India kite Ivory Coast ọmọ yẹn wúra ho ọmọ mi wúra ho wọ́n bá mi wúra ho Ivory Coast wọ́n bá mi wúra ho nisuwe wọ́n náà ṣe góòlù nisuwe ẹnbọ́ọ̀lì Ivory Coast o de ẹ̀yẹ Ghana nana mpẹ̀dù nyom ọ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀. Obra Jesus aya Equatorial Guinea goalkeeper ambetumi asha Jesus Yohani ba 2 fingers laundry ose aya mumra na musimata ade mamo 2 fingers laundry ajapaya block factory asuwado preko no ache no osi me show we fin cry medi adi yaro sunata ye show papa yetio diakite osi mumonji me so ye beshe single sin and a go Kraso Eba Boga Jeremy Boga afei na mbrante aneba Kraso Ivory Coast amaso dai wo kwayem 97.1 Kuma Radio Akweshe ose ture abusuafo ni bi. Ose ture abusuafo ni bi papa. Jeremy Morgan Swaba. The when you besie. Ayewo. Bakumi ni mesa wanso. Ivory Coast, they couldn't take the crab to prepare the delicious corn soup. I'm going to be for quarter anyankwai. Bube Yaro Yakubu. Bube Yaro Yakubu. Nam. Shoe fabric. And when you find it now, how you may. Audition Akuffo. Oha. Akuma John Cena Wabedu. Akuma John Cena Amo. Watuja. Bakumi Orumiensa. Bona Kodi Ivory Coast FIFA. Nazo foul. FIFA law 12. Foul and misconduct. FIFA Milano. Let us do me a foul and misconduct. Bakumi Orumiensa 65 minutes of play gone. Ivory Coast. No, Equatorial Guinea. 1. Summarizers Nana Free and Kofi Barima Bogane Jano Oshabo ni dosi Momentum Jeremy Boga was Momentum Jeremy Boga was it menstrual rapper lefe Twum ya yefi Bakumi Onumiensa. Yeah. Well, you have to go in that bonnet. If he hotel, I want Latte Kwanzo, Davy Junction, Ope Baby Adana Wato, Bakumi so, Atafaso, Anyajo, Ayago Sangari, oh, Anyajo. Ivory Coast, Abidjan, Côte d'Ivoire, Yamoussoukro, Obianiaji, Kofi Anyajo.
Yes, D-boy, I think it's no pressure and ordering. And I was calling for these guys, Sir Omubebem, because who bought this crucial game? Now players are, I think, sir, Omube to me, amount match agency, ever new honomo. Now at the end of the day, what do you motivate? And Osha Branta Crasso, a very well taken placement goal, and I wash. But looking at how a Branta position now with Ginano, say referee no ever calling for VAR, then Yansha Senia ebe call Aquasi. But I think say for now no, or call Aqua, I'm say Wajo offside. Yes, I'm say Wajo offside, and it's still now 1-0 90 D-boy. But I see say Ivorians this game, how they have approached this game with the pressure the air code game I don't think say the Ivorians will lose this game. Mihuni say one bet to me any the equalizer.
FIFA law 11. FIFA Mrano Netosu Dubako offside. FIFA Mrano Netosu Dubako no. I mean offside. Anti Ekahumbi. FIFA law 11 offside. Jeremy Boga, Jean Filippo Crasso, woman in Adama Ivory Coast, about the city of Chemu, eventually the General Korean Ivory Coast, that's a grab referee Mahmoud Ismaila from Sudan. Referee Mahmoud Ismaila from Sudan. Konate. Ivory Coast are showing me in outside. I see Tom Brown. I see Okuma to the world. Okuma Mayanina. Yedama se papa. Obi say Michelle station back no. GTV. Ajina. GTV. On say Ajina. Ateko. Ivory Coast. I'm not to be a day. Abakomu, Otiakwem. And then you may Kwame Edi, Ghana Blaster. Kofi Nigeria for the Agoise. Bakumi enemy so. Diakite. Oh. So Ivory Coast on never so. Ejawanmo. Oh. Akasina di onu bako. Diakite. David. Senko to the Achilemu, but you are the bank. Sangari, Wapade, penalty, Anna. Sorry. Hey, Asamabo, Kovi.
Dibo, I think say on your control of the game. But Osha, Abrante and Akropong ball or go straight into the player and now go push Abrante. But I think say too soft. Too soft. But although need there, Osha Abrante now Akropong ball. Abrante or to me control ball no and okay. But I think say too something. Hey,
back on the enemies because that's all. Oh. Oh no, Jesus. What's up on the come. Goalkeeper Uno Jesus up on the Achilemo. Ivory Coast tapping ball come. But I'm not going to get more. Equatorial Guinea. One more Masters game. Bakumi enemy and so. Atiafaso. Foul. Ivory Coast. One more disturbed. One more distress. One more stressful, one more underlined, one more humiliated, one more frustrated, one more committed, one more killable, one more defeatable. Just a word to be ready. Would we describe football piano? Ivory Coast watching. Ivory Coast. I'm watching. Hey. Ha. Ayejo. And Cameroon, one more football penny, Samaleto, what you crack Cameroonian, one more team say, the African Cup of Nations, will be available. Cameroon national team, no. When you're patriotic enough, I am foul. Onana, I'm come. Hey, Ayewu. Classo Nicosia Wilboli Sangare Bonamo. Oh, it's all over. Ayago Okuma Radio. Hey, go. Kofi.
Yes, D-boy, this is true reflection of football. And I said it, say, but now Ivorians are not airborne, they should be very careful. Because Osha game Equatorial Guinea for neighbor, very tactical. Wamato Mabuase, Womono, Bibia, pressure be normal. So, and Osha, they are very good in terms of set pieces. Free kick in such areas, what they told on Mambasha. A very nice free kick, and what they are to net him. But I think, say, Ivory Coast goalkeeper, Yahya Fofana. I think say you should have done better than this.
And every year.
D-man, send a kind. Equatorial Guinea, you know, they make sure say one more chances on many biano, they will make good use of it. Second department of the game, when you free kick 2. First one, keeper SAV, and the second one, the keeper no extra while I know so before so make it a step. That's why I want to me SAV Ivorians, you know. And here lies the case, Ivorians now say consider another goal, and now more than 70 minutes play, it's a milestone for them to come back.
Ivory Coast Ayedi Yamosukro on Medantam Buake on Medantam Fofana cooling break Asidani bi Enkwama a Japan block factory Asidani bi koma East Hill Hotel Shoe Fabric Brackers in oh Didier Drogba le amesue en plein lapin le amesue wisdom ekaye wisdom can say aye Equatorial Guinea womu kura mu plan amodeba atefaso it's all over. It's all over. Ivory Coast is out. Ivory Coast is out. Ivory Coast is out. Wisdom. Ekaye.
Well, D-man, send the Ekaye. Equatorial Guinea, you know, I'm pray wo. I'm taking one time. I study game, you know, and they realize hitting the Ivorians on counter break is going to really help them. And really tactical display at papa 3-1. It has not been a fluke of the game because Ivorians had any chances, you know, and you can't make this on unpardonable mistakes and go scot free.
Obi Akropong aya Jiminek BS Niswe washe brace Jiminek aba munchaye wabasa atratna ediama aya Equatorial Guinea enra Equatorial Guinea Amanfo yeswan in internet omani beji pa Equatorial Guinea for enra ena Amanfo yajino yadini si yomanso omani beji oh Awurade akagano Awurade wana tutu kobi no obi tutu kobi kobi bi awura kobi nkwan bi ekwaso ye ayehu Ivory Coast Côte d'Ivoire Abidjan Ohirijan oh womo da fam bakumi enu miensa 76 minutes a play gone bakumi enu miensa o mate baku oh goalkeeper our double onimu yefani Jesus Akumai 97.1 77 minutes Equatorial Guinea 3 Ivory Coast 0 Yemfa Kofi CAF president Yemona Baso Kofi obiemu yehu countries are born yesemu ni mbo but omo be show class Niswe washe brace Emilio Niswe washe brace Laurent Poko de kura sa record no 5 goals Laurent Poko yari ni to stadium ne bakoso oh 97.1 Emilio Niswe washe 2 goals na niaje pa oh bakumi ni mesa ayade boom what a miss Fofana Akuma radio ayumrei Iban Edu Wafim Anamilio Niswe Kofi is all over and yet to be
D-boy, as it stands now, there is all over for the Ivorians as a host of this particular tournament. And of course, Senator Walker, I'm always saying, say, football is developing, football is a business, and it is good, say, at least, over to me open up. Now, I extended the number of teams, and I tell you, say, ocean ya car for to me, in a to me extended. Some of the teams are one more show class in the tournament, and I believe, say, Equatorial Guinea, one more to me actually the rest of the world. Say teamwork and who ehia chen stars then the individual qualities are ekura womonso no I make the difference amene we share the group are not omo them against Nigeria, against Ivory Coast, against all us now omo air top with the group. Likewise what happened in group B enekeved for and so top with the group by bibia say football no say advance and so you will still remain on top.
So you football no you remain on top. Okuma Radio 97.1 and your German and you come here Wabatuja Missy Obia Nidi Naniato Equatorial Guinea Me Massa Sebitu Ghana dia ochani pape collapse ai Ivory Coast goalkeeper no o keeper wiase ne nan enye Alison Becker na keeper we dia ne nan enye ne sanye ne reflexes kura nye Jeremy Boga die Ivory Coast omo tun wa French mu die mu die yama mo wo mu die Alasani Watara die Kalu yama die hey Ivory Coast omo wa chiwanu mo bakumi eri mensa omo de oni yon fifiwanu mo atefa so omo te bako poni musio anugwase fato kaniba wajibu on kama K Brown we production in okore na edi dokro no me kwando okore dokro china edaswana okore dokro no china mbia no what did you prako ba kumi anu mensa Ivory Coast Senegal 92 wamone Ghana wamu player say Alenguame Anfa Magana come here di Babatu Janumre Kofi Asare King Vibro Park Syndrome the station where we are na Kofi wo yesu amuntu yesika ansana mo ranu comment no ba ku mi anu miensa ayehuo ayejo Jeremy Boga india kite ba ku mi anu miensa odan dia ma Jeremy odan wo odan oye o hwani amo kire goalkeeper no your friend Jesus enti wunya Judasa untumi nche no keeper no your friend Jesus share wisdom okay wisdom kai and kwa nine I say Santu Block Factory mo koto blocks in the first would die brackets and then you may summarize us no obi abeyomo if you brackets East Hill Hotel East Hill Davy Junction Loma Vista Ivory Coast fo nyina mesua brofo Ivory Coast fo nyina amra Loma Vista Omosia brofo Alangrada afenomene naba Eurade and there will be coffee and there will be Ghana 11 hey we mu nyina ka ho inaka wuli aninu ano omu nyina ka ho bi and Memphis Depay omu nyina ka ho omu nim ba ku yeri miasa atefa so Ivory Coast twabonu wachi ho obetu den bonu tum abase ha wabodi aba okuman ba ku mienu odibirika o kai Nigeria 1 Guinea Bissau African Cup way media CAF president and I'm born abaso what the 16 teams and 24 and Equatorial Guinea you lose some ball ho so am share ho aye practice kai 84th minute. Equatorial Guinea 3. Ivory Coast. And can a Ghana for Nyakobra. Enemy Boche. Alex Babola and Shabem. Messi Ghana Blaster coach in the players the party will be Ghana Blaster players in Omunyina correct technical team in the Mina Meka Shy and then you know Atefaso Ivory Coast Cote d'Ivoire Ivory Coast Cote d'Ivoire Sagari but you then boom Shia Apu Kai Aurade 5 more minutes now you're pong Pablo Garnett out Alex Babu in Ivory Coast for Mumo better luck next time Coco on what you go back home and as well Ashe 2 3-0 will be artist caller here because of your boy. That's why Yampa and you may not watching Ghana Blasters and Suma Tuntum. One more go for Mozambique. Mozambique, Theodine, Mozambique. One more 2 million crowd. Bakumi only say Ajina. Ho. Nasa Edi Mabo Crasho 32 million. Mozambique. Yani omo yepe. Nigeria 1 on for Shebi. Zigibi wa Buffy MCR. And you will be out. Ora Gideon Elha. Wasibu Sumi Asu. Obianka na kuma Antoni yam. Ora Gideon. Wasibu Sumi Asu. Obianka na kuma Antoni yam. Chia. Mubedidi. Oh, goalkeeper. Keeper ni friend Yesu. Say Judas ama. What to mention? Judas. Bakumi oni miensa. Oh. Equatorial Guinea. Ghanaian Nizwe. Bakumi oni miensa. Atia faso. Obetumi eden. Yellow card. Also by any other Benny. Atia faso. Atia onomo. Ivory Coast. Obetumi eden. Ivory Coast for that to grab on. Bakumi oni miensa. Oh. Shia. Atia faso. Yeko. Netoso na niana. Benes. Eno na Ayego where do Yapon Baneki oba munche Ekan Côte d'Ivoire Abidjan Ayedi Comme na maye Onyami no ni masem Na kome musem Maye Oba Akuffo Mini Obiara Comme na maye Ivory Coast Onyami no ni masem Masamo Makome Alison Becker Liverpool keeper Nenanye Banyaninsa keeper wedie Ninsanye Nenanye Equatorial Guinea 4 Ivory Coast 0 I dream Kofi
D-boy, one of the humiliation scoreline on the part of the Ivorians in Africa Cup of Nations history. And Woshe Senia, Omo Etumia conceded 2 goals. Ninina defensive error and error from the goalkeeper. And Senia Mobobo and Ankasa, I don't know. As a Omo Lusu focus and direction. And they deserve this particular lose. And a warning to every country in this world say football na bono. It's not about big names. Obetumi anya names no teamwork, individual qualities juma obeko wenim. Inti omo disappointed obia 4-0 there. I think it's a bad result at the Ivory Coast.
And another year bekasa yenu abema United States of America, Latif Chelsea. Was what up guys? Blasters need to calm down and play the game. And the moment game come from my head. A referee pound 7 minutes in graduation. Every year.
Demand this evening Equatorial Guinea is in the SO class. The tactics that the bad game it has really helped them and more frustrated Ivorians in the papa. For now, no Ivorians are playing as if say they have not. For now, they can't do anything. She knew how much to me and even now ball from the start and say for now no and big ups to the Equatorial Guinea. One ball modi papa and this is a humiliating scoreline because I never thought say Equatorial Guinea beat me as a penalty.
Where the Omonya Bakua Wamo Adibeti Jomo Omobechi Jomo Yure Akakpo Omonya Baku over the referee Kwanzo one penalty. Akakpo Anyadie Akakpo wait the penalty Kofi every year where do you get penalty direct?
Well demand outside the box and this can be a penalty. Who say Aka Obibo and Kobeji say Ivorians being the host in Anka, at least the referee will be soft on them to at least play an advantage on their behalf. But this year's tournament in the officiating has been top notch and big ups to African football and we hope say African football will continue to progress like this. And we will see our men out there.
$7 million. $7 million. Oh, Ivory Coast, your dear Jamo. Your dear Jamo. Media Meka Kofi. A CAF president Amibona Baso. We BM Yahu. The African football are about of age. Bakum Yanumia so goalkeeper and your friend Jesus. Loma Vista IPS. Mafia Akuapem. Mamu Ebrechino. Monfa Mamre school. Suya dear pa. Loma Vista. Wamu chira dear pa. Wamu yesa afia investment come back French. And you have because of one hinting on Bechere. Loma Vista. 0246 875 0246 246 875 Opera Company 0244 3040 90 Opera brackets in Ofia natural spices BNG Allah 2 fingers Bell Eyes oh Ivory Coast 0 Ivory Coast ZERO 0 Equatorial Guinea FOUR we everywhere our goals Atia Faso Bakumi Anumiasa Ivory Coast one between them Okumai what a thing Konate Wableu Nigeria 1 Wamuniazu Jebie goalkeeper Kasi Capito Messi Kofi Nana Friye me asema Samaleto akache Cameroonians na no na emfa nya adwuma woni bisa wonya patriotic enough e me bobo no kura When you bring your praise, baby, I'll come and bring you out of the wall. Ho! Even your praise, you are doing now. Even your praise, you are born. Don't cry, Panana, don't cry, Panana. Wamusu, baby girls in this room was the eye. Antoine fait la pas, Monsieur la paix la pas, Antoko, Equatorial Guinea, wisdom ekaye, wisdom ekaye, wisdom ekaye say, Equatorial Guinea kuna plan, style, knowledge, wisdom, and Awurade who Ghana mabo onu se mini Ghana who yamabo anwumre ya so yebi kai ba ko mi enu miesa ena enum 1994 Ghana Algeria na eminente mienu Algeria team nim omo ye brothers odatelamte shenu ochire nielo shenu ochire Alassani Ouattara Wada Mo Ibrahim I can send be or see if old people are leading you to the grave for where? Gradel. Shia. Shoe fabric. And Papa in every step count. Santu Block Factory. Block Papa. Ajapaye. Loma Vista. Eve's Hotel. You see, as I never commentary, no. Ajapaye. Or the one Loma Vista. Loma Vista, Ediama Brackets. Loma Vista, ni Equatorial Guinea. Loma Vista. Loma Vista. Odiama Ajapaye. Ajapaye Diama Santu. Santu Diama Eve's Ediama 2 fingers. Ajapaye Odiama Santu Diama Loma Vista Shani Ochire Ajapaye Odiama Brackets Diama Bell Eyes Referee Mahmoud Ismail from Sudan Waliye Bibia 4-0 Kofi 4-0.
I think at the end of the group matches, Amanfo people now be very disappointed because predictions, any analysis are two from looking at the teams from the group name. When you have Nigeria, when you have Ivory Coast as a host nation, Equatorial Guinea and Guinea-Bissau there. Now we all thought Anka maybe Ivory Coast or Nigeria can top, maybe Abako be runners up, but who's and the host nation Ivory Coast obviously they are out of the competition. I think this time Equatorial Guinea one more to me actually consistency here, teamwork here, and one more year about 3 group games, one more to me and Lusu against these big nations our Africa Bibi actually say football nowadays developing to your you can still go on to surprise the world. And to Yambo Mabaso, they deserve it right from the start of the referee whistle to the end of the game. Oh my idea.
Kofi Asare, all the way from Anije FM Park Wasindum Nijbanono. Game not to me about here. Amanfo Eba Okuma Arena 97.1. Ye train on Tribremu and Stana. Yebeko over to the studios near the Mazik Bino. Yani Panyina Basha Boni be ebedi komo. Adi Diamond or say Momo near Juma. Ajapa Jordan is say Nathaniel. Near Kosi, Equatorial Guinea 4, Ivory Coast, Cote d'Ivoire, Abidjan, Ohinijan, Itojan, Oman Shebi, Ayoma.
Oh, na host nation pa na to any show 4 there. Any one of your mutations of them almost monka. Very bad, very bad. Reputation Akropong because and speaking well crowd of Cote d'Ivoire. Because it's almost 3 points. Host nation and so prove a points. Tournament in 3 points there. It's speaking well crowd.
Yo, yeah, but that was it. Aja, Yamakwaba. Oh, who are there? Equatorial Guinea and I know my Ivory Coast. I am Wakakra.
Oh, one day, me pa. I born a Grammy to me can once and drive him because I'm mobile. Say, host nation pa. Yet much of every bit. I jump at me offense here.
I am a Johnny France.
The Ameni.
And you may Ghana for a few be a calculator. Who do they buy?
My family am by be winning.
Scholar and Bear saying
2-0.
2-0. I do furniture say, Kudus de Wanyama. Ceciano, you see him failing into Jordan. So, what's one when he done so?
2-0. Go in there, never finish and bad name. But 2-0.
I better was a pa. I jump at Jordan the same.
Your friend Nana Kwame. Now, born number witnesses is here. Frankly speaking, I am shocked. I am shocked by a host nation. I started for African Cup of Nations. This is the first time I will say a host nation every group stage. Until ABR records in India, year but this is the first time I will say a host nation every move at group stage. At such a great loss 4-0 to no other country than Equatorial Guinea, a recently developing football country. Obia expected crash and cover ball even to 4-0 and a cheap goes to be a consider you cry and I'm a dream one. That's it. I'm not your game now, confidence in the crowd above all that because Mozambique held Egypt 2-2 draw, and they proved that Charlie they also have some prowess. Since talisman I usually rely on Bemu cry. Since I want to be scheduled now, because some of my can do now. Still on person ball party, we are in confidence to shoot enough. Since we are just waiting to see what can come out of the game. Just that we are hoping for the best, but more or less we are expecting the worst. See a bonfire.
As you know, Ghana, you might quite predict a scoreline.
I'm hoping for 1-0. Maybe predicting more goals because if we get even a goal, we can hold our own and qualify with that goal. Hoping that even if it goes on, well, maybe a draw at the other end. That means we are through with a second stage position. Either way, a 1-0 will be okay for me.
Yeah, and my friend so auntie, and my friend Kasa Mumra, Okuma Radio, and Chinipa. Why, Monkasa, Monkofi, or Yesudimo. I jump at what did you say? Okay, Papa, I say, Bibian Todi. I just now did say,
Patrick from Nana
Kwame, scoreline is Ivory Coast, Equatorial Guinea. I told shock Accra.
Media man tem there, but matter shock because Equatorial Guinea pan Cote d'Ivoire ni media me who be that. Visit me share ball be pem samre me who be that. Say Equatorial Guinea e be check Cote d'Ivoire no wa share 4-0 la won she bi kra. Now here say no mo ball no kra po dia. Esai nwanwa. Like yen show sa akeke na. We have more formation bibia on point. Let's just say we're going to as a cry as a host nation.
As a host nation, you may Ghana. Yes, we are for but we are predicted scoreline and I say,
oh, scoreline idea. Make us say one goal, pay. No cry, no, a bedding.
You may Germany call a studio. No one, no. Yura, Jeff, Akuffo, Boate. Jeff, you just say anyone is here, you brothers. And then you know, are you surprised?
I'm very surprised. See, you say Ivory Coast is a giant of African football. More so, we're a host nation. Into no, Uncle Osha baby, I would done a one position, and then Nanki and say, Uncle Wobbe, the one last Baby so to try and qualify for the next round of tournament. But 4-0. What is Sanka upset be background upset usually in a 1-0 be and a 2-1 be. Nang anuyeding. I mean, say this is very disgraceful for a country of the caliber of Cote d'Ivoire. Looking at the facts here, one Equatorial Guinea boy. But Obiri Bisa says, is this a foreshadowing of what is about to happen to Ghana? Nah. Say Yen Mozambique babe boss, Anna Mozambique for babe and really airborne pie say massa cause Ebasadia how.
as you Jeff Akuffo Boate and I say Ghana match in there and when you answer you for the Aburobi answers you apopote mu mrewa omonsensu nguso abru alabri omonsensu mfanguso na ansi yebeko studio na mo no head of sports ana fe yewra okore yumre ni asie ni o
yo dima ekwakoye se AFCON ni wonga yeni da woni su nyina we failure rather showing their might. Equatorial Guinea, I'm tipping them to go far in this tournament. Many people wouldn't take them serious, but the core of one team now, they've been solid for, and now they played together for the last 9 years. In terms of experience-wise, and then team bonding, you can see say and Ghana dia IFF Kobo. That is how you keep a team. You keep a team for a long time. And none the results, but and then they are showing their powers because we keep it team nature. And yes, man, kakra meka say we should rather prepare. Na yenya isika semna edidi boys in team no. Let's prepare, have a better plan for our Black Stars. Na yebeko yenim. Yeah.
And let's prepare. Have a better plan. Ebetimi akoyanim. And Samueleto wakani nyina sisika onyae e Barcelona ko Russia ko bobi sika onyae no enye no na Cameroon de ma no enti obi obebobo amane man bia no onye patriotic enough na de nyina ntimi nkonkan yanko na so kenkan kakra see good evening watching you where Tom Brown watching you from Amanfo with I'm watching you from Saudi Arabia my dear commenting them already good work Kofi Asare also obohomoden sanso and ohima adobia see ye offer or the meal you watch it now say I am 2023 omo mdi mani to omo so nyina feli me enti mayi mani afia busuafo so me sha D boy my God Equatorial Guinea woma ka story atreyen kwam yedi o see ye agronasi keep the good work up Folly Erasmus the work Adenasi yeko na yadani de maziki no watching 818 828 838 yefasida Emma brackets shoe fabric Santu Yura Ajapae 2 fingers bell eyes inamunyina ase 8 o'clock yebese shebiu Okuma Arena Zigibi yamishira kwam yadi anafe afiye anakofi Asare K Brown Dr. Fresh Ama afiye wrap up na enko Japon.
Well, D-man, looking at possession, everything was going in favor of the Ivorians, but just that the Equatorial Guineans did what is needed in the game, and they've taken a 4-goal lead. This clearly tells us, this year's tournament, it's not about names, but it's about teamwork, the telepathy, the understanding on the field of play. And as I said, this will go back to haunt the Ivorians in the sense that they had all the chances in the first half and almost squandered it, but the Ivorians came in with the tactics, and the tactics has really helped them, hitting them on a counter break, and it has yielded them with 4 goals, and it's a good mark for them. And leading a group like you being in a group with Nigeria and the Ivorians, now Equatorial Guineans, and to me, a top group scoring 9 goals and conceding 3 is a mark that need to be applauded. Nti Equatorial Guinea in Oma Yade, na I was saying but for the Ivorians in there, they have to go home and do their homework very well, because last 2 years they were to host the AFCON, and they told us omo nisika nti no omo na Cameroonians and omo host here. This year omo all the facilities, hoping at least they can make a mark in this year's tournament, and at the end of the first round and you are going home there, it's very bad. And this is the first time a host nation has been humiliated like this. It's bad for the Ivorians.
anti nana free here na hotel and can summarize this no nana free on wankasa na fe Kofi Asare amuna beboa no watwi omo team omo ne the Diamond Man e man nyina wura AK oba on the bottle no beba ni magum na dey na tumi okuma 97.1 okuma radio okuma TV I the live commentary no be fia e dey abremo me dey kwa me da ko Victor Lixtowell mbata this boy na amrante hine ela Ziggy somewhere na yanko onipa bre